Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, which is in this configuration on the right side, and tap on the third option from the top, which is the timer one. So in this device we've got 4 different options: off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to tap on the specific option you'd like to use. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, this icon will be immediately highlighted and it will show you the time you've chosen, and all we have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 or 2, depending on which option you've chosen, and after the time it will simply take a photo. Okay, perfect. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on this icon again and tap on the icon without any kind of countdown assigned, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.